we got Big Bird out today. Hey, Big Bird. Hello, Big Bird. I got him on really. Pull it back some so we can see. There we go. All right.
Very good job.
Pull it back so we can see him. Yay, Big Bird! We came again. All right. Thank you so much, Big Bird. Big Bird's the best. Woo, he's all excited. Look at him dancing. Woohoo! All right. I see him dancing, Big Bird dancing. I'm back again. I forgot to get myself in there last time. Yeehaw! I'm gonna get in this picture too. All right. We love this Big Bird. He's awesome. Ah. Yay! Thank you, Big Bird. Here's Paige once again with her Big Bird.
You guys still have your photo key still?
I'm good now.
Guess you already got some.
Yay! All right, gotta get him dancing. He's dancing in his nest. There he goes. Big Bird's dancing in his nest. Woohoo!
So funny, Big Bird.
Aw. He's greeting everyone out here. Uh-oh, you were a little close there, Paige. This time we got Thomas and Paige going up.
Alrighty, friends from friends.
Right.
What are y'all asking for? Great job, guys.
Uh-oh, here he comes. I gotta get my film so we can stay at that. Here he goes, dancing along the way. Yay! Big Bird! Hello, Big Bird! He's so awesome. Oh, kiss the camera. So we're gonna miss him for the next 5 weeks, right? Yeah, we'll miss him.